Yo! Back with another video. It's been a while. Been grafting hard with my brother.
Yeah.
Anyways, today we're going to be doing a little exploring video. Going to the Peak District in the UK.
This is like a yearly thing as well.
Yeah, it's
like
not...
we do it
Yeah.
like every year or so.
Yeah, like it's actually like a thing that we did... Well, we try to do every single year. We weren't able to really do it through COVID. Just arrived.
Yeah.
Here we are.
We're out here in nature.
I'm going to show you what it looks like in a minute once we pass all these bushes, but ready for the challenge?
I'm ready.
Ready for the challenge? Don't know if we're going to go up the mountain thing just yet, which is behind us. It's that thing there. But we are going to do the walk. The reason why is because it feels like it's going to rain. But the weather forecast does say it ain't going to rain. But, you know, English weather is bipolar. So we're going to do the walk. Hopefully at the end get to go up that thing. I don't know if you can see, but there's a log going across there, or a tree trunk. We were just debating whether if we should cross it and go on that side, but because I got my camera and it's not waterproof, I don't think that's an option. So we're gonna continue on this path up this. This is gonna be a workout, as my brother said. I'm gonna quote it in the name of Joel under here. This is gonna be a workout. What are you saying? Burger spot after this?
Yeah, that's needed. The burger spot is definitely.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. Damn, that view is nice. I'm gonna have a look at this. What we were just on. See what's over here. I was just saying to my bro, when you record in England, everyone stares at you like you're some alien. Probably sweating loads, but it's funny because if it was in America, yeah, people will probably stare at you, but it's a bit. I feel like it's a bit more normal over there, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, probably join in.
Yeah, probably jump in the video and have it. Over here, people stare at you like as if you're some alien, man. They're like, what is that? I need a haircut, man. There's a cave here. Let's go see what's in there. I think it's shallow enough to actually be able to walk.
Yeah,
On it, right? Wow, look at up here.
Down here dry.
Oh shit!
No,
Did
it's like,
you think that was
no,
dry?
I thought it was dry.
Oh no, is your foot okay?
Yeah, but it's alright.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Shit.
It's fine though, don't worry. Yo, that's a whole illusion.
Damn. So that looks like it's got no water. Well, it looks very shallow, but it's actually like ankle deep.
No, my shoe.
It's about ankle deep. Joel got his foot wet. You alright?
Yeah, that's cool.
Going back?
Yeah.
Oh look, there's like a footprint here. We're both taking hours out. Literally both taking hours out here. I just fell over on my bum. Joel stepped in.
What is it? Just went into a cave and it was like,
Yeah.
I was like, yo, this bit's dry. And boom, stepped in, my shoes wet.
Stepped in like a big puddle, like up to his shin. I'm here sliding, falling over, making my hands all dirty. Climbing up again. Let's hope I don't fall this time round.
No, it's not.
Is it not? Oh wow, found a cave. Let's have a look. And to our surprise again, it's not really an entrance as such, but there is this little hermit bit in there. Looks like there's some bird lives up there or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
What's
There's
around
like
there?
a route around there, but I'm not going to attempt to go too high. And these trainers.
Oh yeah. I wonder where that goes. Okay, let's have a safe descent now. Let's not rush. Well, me personally. Found a real cave. Oh my gosh, it's pitch black in there, isn't it?
And there's like bats.
Lord knows.
Should we go in?
You want to? Okay, close your mouth because there might be loads of little flies.
Yo, this is actually a cave.
You probably can't see much on this camera, but oh, it actually is a big cave, isn't it?
Yeah, it's massive. Only if you had a light.
No, that's a real cave. Down there looks cool. There's this cave.
You can chill in
Yeah, it's up to you. You can check it out.
Yeah, just have a little sip. That one looks so hanging.
I hope so far you've been enjoying all the shots. We're going to take a break because we've walked really far. Hopefully so far you've enjoyed the nature and stuff like that.
This is the furthest we've been though. So that's
Furthest.
maybe next time we'll
Go even further.
Yeah.